Well, a warm welcome everyone. Welcome back. Joel here from Solace Financial. Great to have you with us. June was a month of high-stake headlines and surprising resilience in global markets, from geopolitical shocks to central bank moves. There's a lot to unpack, so let's dive straight in. June kicked off with a major geopolitical jolt, direct conflict between Israel and Iran. The US stepped in, aiming to delay Iran's nuclear program. While markets initially wobbled, they quickly found their footing. By the month end, global equities were not just stable, they were rallying. The MSCI World Index finished up 4.4%. US markets led the charge. The S&P 500 hit all-time highs, up 4.5%, with tech stocks like Nvidia jumping 17%. Here in Australia, the ASX 200 rose 1.4%, just shy of its June 14 peak. Energy was a standout, up 9%, driven by the proposed Emirati takeover of Santos. Financials also rallied, with CBA gaining 5% for the month. Materials, though, continued to drag down to 3.1%. On the trade front, the US and China reached a deal easing restrictions on rare earth exports. Great news for tech and manufacturing. But the clock's ticking. The 90-day tariff pause with other trading partner ends on the 9th of July. Meanwhile, central banks are treading carefully. The Fed held rates steady, while the ECB cut 25 basis points. Back home, soft GDP and slowing inflation have markets pricing in another RBA rate cut in early July. Commodities were volatile. Gold spiked to $3,440 US during the conflict, then settled down to $3,310. Oil surged at 8.5 to close at $66.66. Iron ore still sliding, down 2.1%. Bond yields fell too, especially in the US, where weaker GDP and inflation expectations pushed the 10-year yield down to 4.23%. In Australia, yields slipped slightly to 4.16%. So what's the big picture? Despite the noise, conflict, trade uncertainty, shifting rate expectations, markets are holding up. But volatility hasn't gone away. Whether it's key deadlines, the policy decisions ahead, staying nimble and informed is more important than ever. That's your June 2025 snapshot. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who's watching the markets, and subscribe for more insights from the team at Solace Financial. Until next time, we plan smart, stay steady, and invest with purpose. We'll be watching.